GBSN currently traded at 0071. Congratulations, everybody that joins in on our live shows at investorshangout.com/live is where we went through this one over here on the 3rd. And that was actually traded at, if I can get to the exact level, that's right where it was traded at when we looked at it. I said technical alert, watch, no gaps, and could keep going. In my opinion, all depends on volume. Resistance at 0025 and 003. You guys look at that right here. You guys literally opened at it and took off above that resistance levels. So you guys got up, tapped that resistance level on the 3rd. And then on the 4th, you guys actually opened above both resistance levels. Right now, you guys are up in the upper Bollinger Band. You guys are completely outside of it with a gap up. My personal opinion, especially off of 200% gains, I think that you're going to start seeing this thing pull back a little bit, maybe for today and possibly tomorrow. It could end up closing red today, in my opinion, around 0066, looking at this candle and the way that it's been shaping up right now, and then recoil off of that and bounce tomorrow. Just going to go ahead and let you know that, I mean, obviously, what can you say here? A lot of people come to us and say, hey, look, you're not giving us an accurate number to look for, but this is what happens when the day before you guys, we put it on technical analysis alert. It's up 200% since that technical analysis alert. And you can go back and watch those videos on that as well. So, like I said, I mean, I really can't add too much right now. It has that spinning doji top. It's a very possibility it might start pulling back either today or tomorrow. So I would definitely lock in your profits and let her chill. And you're starting to see it turn red now.
All right, so these guys right here, they had a press release on April 3rd, 2017. So after we already went over it. So Great Basin Scientific receives FDA 510K clearance for Bordetella direct test. Great Basin Scientific Incorporated, a molecular diagnostics company, has received U.S. Food and Drug Administration FDA clearance for its Bordetella direct test following a 510K submission on February 1st, 2017. The company received notification of clearance from the FDA on Friday, March 31st, approximately 57 days from submission. The Bordetella direct test expands Great Basin's menu of FDA-cleared assays to 5. So more than a year ago, we created a clinical affairs team tasked with streamlining our clinical trial processes and strengthening our methods for presenting submissions to the FDA, with the objective of more rapidly and efficiently expanding our product menu, said Robert D. Jennison, Chief Technology Officer of Great Basin. Pertussis is a very contagious disease, and the incidence is steadily rising. So the swift response and clearance from the FDA is gratifying and substantiates that our investment in this aspect of our business has been well placed. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, estimates that globally there are approximately 16 million cases of pertussis per year, with the disease being responsible for 195,000 deaths annually. Reported cases of pertussis in the U.S. have spiked since 1955, likely as a result of declines in vaccine use, waning vaccine-induced immunity in adolescent and adult populations, and continued circulations of B. pertussis in the population given the gravity of the disease, as well as its capacity for contagion. Hospitals, health systems, and patients can benefit from the rapid detection and timely treatment of pertussis. We are pleased with the speed in which this test was cleared and further encouraged by the higher than expected demand for our customer base requesting immediate evaluations of Bordetella Direct, said Ryan Ashton, co-founder and chief executive officer of Great Basin. Children's hospitals in particular are seeing a growing call for pertussis testing, while at the same time experience a reduction in reimbursements. Our ongoing demand test is fast, easy to use, and cost-effective, making it a compelling option to meet growing demands. So, and then it goes on. I'll just finish this. In addition to its Bordetella direct test, Great Basin has commercially assays available for detection of STEC, Group B, Staphylococcus. I'm not sure it's GBS. Toxogen, Clostridium difficile, C. diff, and Staph blood culture panel for identifying bloodstream infections caused by MRSA and other Staphylococcus species. So that's their latest press release on April 3rd, which is obviously a great press release because I mean the volume on there's definitely volume there. All right, so if you want to continue doing more research, just go right over to that GBSN board over here on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily. I post them right over there on that GBSN board on Investors Hangout.
All right, GBSN 0072, outside upper Bollinger Band. 0072 is when we start looking at this. You guys are currently traded at 0065, starting to pull back. I said it might start pulling back now. Wait for the bounce, 4647. If volume slows, it will pull back to the 10-day simple moving average, 0025-ish, in my personal opinion. GBSN, if you follow this one, you feel that this video helped you, we'd appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And make sure you share this video with all other investors on different message boards and different social networks. We'd appreciate it. That is all we ever ask, and that is why we do these videos for you. And in return, just get out there and share them. If you have a hot stock that you'd like to share with us other than GBSN, let us know. At investorshangout.com/live, we'll be sure to take your hot stock and add it to our list of tickers and do a video on it as well.